Hey folks, welcome to Pic's Place. Thanks for swinging by. Sorry it's been a little while since I've posted some material, but hopefully we'll get some new material up for you soon so you can enjoy it. Today we have a 1960 AMC Rambler American Deluxe. It's a heck of a story, so grab a cold one, have a seat, and enjoy. So as the story goes, in 1987, her 12-year-old brother went on a trip with their dad to Aiken, South Carolina. He had worked all summer to make money to buy himself a project car, and he bought the Rambler and a 1940 Hudson. Whenever she looked at the Rambler, she could envision the possibilities and would drop hints to her brother what the car would look like. For example, painted electric blue, or what it would look like with recovered seats, or if they polished the chrome. At any rate, a few years went by, and he ended up giving her the keys on her 20th birthday and said, "You like it so much, you do it." So then more time went by, of course. She got married, had some kids, and then finally, February 1st of 2019 came along, and she decided this is the date I'm going to start working on it. Bundled up, grabbed some tools, and went out and started doing such a thing. Her husband found that she was serious and offered his heated shop, and of course, his time and help whenever he could, but she made it clear this was her project, she was doing it. Of course, the internet came along, and so they were able to research parts, and they had some other friends help out too. But here is the final product. It's quite an exchange. Amazing car. What it is a 1960 AMC Rambler American Deluxe. It's got the flathead Wyandotte L6 engine that she completely rebuilt with help. They rebuilt it from the block up. Main, cam bearing, seals, rings, valves, and springs. They switched out the Y100 Daytona carb, installed a heat shield drum, brakes on all four wheels. And they also installed new brake and flex lines. They bypassed the mechanical pump with electric, all new fuel lines, repainted it with 13 spray cans and rust Olam nutmeg. The front bench was swapped for 2 buckets out of a Ford Fusion, and they installed a whole new exhaust including glass pack muffler, a T96 transmission, 3-on-3 tree on the shifter. Alright, enjoy guys! If you were looking close, the wood paneling on the doors have signatures. Well, that's for a reason. You see, every person that had a hand in helping her out signed those doors. Also, in these pictures, you can see she's dressed up to the nines as a pinup girl. She likes to do that when she goes to shows. Alright, cue the music.